So by now you've probably already heard of Remy, the world's first product manager agent, and you've been using it to make all kinds of awesome applications. But the big problem is that you don't really know what to do with it after you create your application. Where do you share it? How do you showcase it in the right way and give it the respect it deserves? Well, I have been building all kinds of applications and have had the same problem. And so because of this, I built this other application called Debut. And it is the place for all new Remy apps. So I want to introduce you to it, and I want to invite you to submit your application and make a debut today. So this is Debut. It's the new home of all Remy apps that you build. It's kind of like Product Hunt. You ship something good, you want to showcase it, post it to Debut. There are tons of people making stuff, but there's not really a shared space where we can all check out what everybody else is making. Every single post you make here is a premiere. It gives it the respect that it deserves because you're making something significant, and you should have a place to showcase that Remy app that you've built. So submitting it is super easy. You drop your URL, you drop the public pitch deck that I'll show you how to grab in just a second, and then you click Go Live. You make sure that the listing looks correct. It's going to pull all of the information for you. This creates a feed, and everybody can participate. You can upvote people's projects. You can check out what other people are building. You can give people their flowers if you like the app that they built. Check out their profiles, give them a follow, and you'll get notified if new people drop new apps here. And there is a bunch of stuff that's already shipped, including a big media gallery. Soon there's going to be collections. There's a live activity tracker so you can see things that are happening. And this is not just a feed. It's a way for you to tune in and see what is happening. It's a feed that learns from you. It ranks what you upvote. You can see what's the newest, hottest Remy app that is out there. So there's a bunch of other slides, but I'm going to go ahead and skip to the end of this, which is the punchline here. Remy makes it incredibly easy for you to build all kinds of applications. It manages the whole project for you. And Debut is where you make it matter. Every launch gets its own moment. You get a built-in audience, and I want to invite you to post your Remy app to Debut today. So here is how it works. This is the application. This is Debut. Once you create an account on Debut by signing up with your email, you can click on this Go Live button here. And at this point, all you need is two things. You need the actual app link. So you can see here, I've built this app called Hearth, and it's an event hosting site, and it allows you to add events to a calendar, and also people can post their photos to a memory wall to capture the moment and have a shared space for it. I thought it was really cool. So the first thing is you want your application link. That is simply the URL to your live application. So you see here I have hearth.msagent.ai. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that in. And then the other thing is you need the pitch deck that Remy builds for you. Now inside of your Remy project, if you go into the spec, there is this thing called pitch deck. And this is super useful and super important to bring a story to your application. So you can click on the share button here at the bottom right, and this is going to open up a new link for the pitch deck. You don't want to use this URL here. You actually want to make this public so that everybody can see it. The way you do that is by clicking on the share button at the bottom right, and then making sure that public access is turned on. Now, once you have public access turned on, you can simply copy this link, and then inside of Debut, you paste the link in. And once you have both of these links, you'll click on the next button. Debut will analyze your application. It'll analyze your pitch deck. It will extract all of the important information. You can see that it's starting to capture the share image to our application. It's going to capture all of the slides from the slide deck, and it's going to create a listing for us. It's going to fill in all of the information. We don't have to do any writing. We don't have to manually pull a bunch of pictures. We'll be able to review all that later, and then we can also add our own images, videos, and text if we want to once the initial draft of that listing page is prepared. So this might take a couple of seconds, but you can see here it pulled the slides from our pitch deck. It's showing them to us one by one. And once it pulls all of these slides, it's going to finalize our our entire application listing, and we'll be able to see what that listing looks like. This process takes about 30 to 40 seconds, so just let it run. It will let you know what is happening right before your eyes. It's choosing tags, it's thinking about the audience, it's crafting a question, because Debut actually allows you to ask a question to everybody who is visiting your page, and then you get this listing page. So you can see my app name Hearth, the URL, all of the media. I can actually star the image that I want to use as the featured image. If I want to record a video, I can add a video walkthrough. It accepts MP4s, so just keep that in mind. And then we have our story here. Turn your events into lasting digital and physical keepsakes. There's a nice 1-paragraph description. We don't have to write too much for it. We just need like 2 to 3 sentences. Who's it for? Hosts who want to preserve memories from dinners and weddings, and what category this belongs to, and add some tags, and then also pins a question. This is really useful. You can pin a question and ask your audience what they think about this thing. You can also check out a preview of what your page is going to look like. So here is our page here, and the page includes a little button to look at the full pitch deck, not necessarily in this slideshow here. When you're ready, you click on Debut this app at the very top right, and at this point you have made your awesome debut. You can now share it wherever you want. Here is a copy link button where you can actually link to this app. We have preset share buttons to X and to LinkedIn, or if you just want to have a canonical share, you can do that as well. And then you click on See Your Debut, and this will take you to your page here, and you can see all of the different apps that have been created. There is a space on your listing. You can always edit it at any time, but if you explore the pitch deck, it will actually open up the public URL and let anybody open up the pitch deck. And then people can comment on your post here. So this post is completely live. And if we go back to the homepage, we can see that our listing is now available here. So check it out. Please post all of your Remy apps. I'm so excited to see what you build. One thing to do, make sure that you're selecting your featured image. That's super important. And feel free to add your own video recordings. Anyway, I just wanted to show this to everybody. I'm really excited to see what you all build, and looking forward to see you make your debut. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.